Hi students, this is my third video on circles. Now first one is find the equation of circle. Find the equation of circle which passes through the points, which passes through the point 2 comma minus 3, minus 4 comma 5, and having the center 4x plus 3y plus 1 is equal to 0. Find the equation of circle which passes through the points 2 comma minus 3 and minus 4 comma 5 and having the center 4x plus 3y plus 1 is equal to 0. Now solution. Here general equation of circle is, what is the general equation of circle? The general equation of circle is x square plus y square plus 2gx plus 2fy plus c is equal to 0. Equation 1. Now equation 1 is passing through given first point. Here passing through 2 comma minus 3, which implies put x is equal to 2 and y is equal to minus 3 here. 2 square minus 3 whole square plus 2g into 2 plus 2f into minus 3 plus c is equal to 0. Implies 4 plus 9 plus 4g minus 6f plus c is equal to 0. Implies 4g minus 6f plus c is equal to 4 plus 9 13 will be minus 13. Equation 2. Again equation 1 is passing through second point. Here second point is minus 4 comma 5. Again same process here. Put x equal to minus 4 and y is equal to 5. Minus 4 whole square plus 5 square plus 2g into minus 4 plus 2f into 5 plus c is equal to 0. Implies 16 plus 25 plus into minus minus 8g plus 10f plus c is equal to 0. Implies minus 8g plus 10f plus c is equal to 16 plus 25 41, that is minus 41. Equation 3. Now here given equation center, here the center is from equation 1, here the center is minus g comma minus f from general equation. Center is minus g comma minus f. Since the center minus g minus f on 4x plus 3y plus 1 is equal to 0. Since the center minus g comma minus f on, this is the general form of straight line. Straight line form is ax plus by plus 1 c is equal to 0. Center lies on 4x plus 3y plus 1 is equal to 0. It is nothing but put x is equal to minus g here and y is equal to minus f. That is 4 into minus g minus 4g plus 3 into minus f minus 3f plus 1 is equal to 0. Equation 4. Now we solve equation 2, equation 3, equation 4. Solve equation 2, 3, 4 will get GFC values. Okay. Now first we solve 2, 3. From equation 2 and equation 3 we have to eliminate c here. We have to eliminate c first because of in fourth equation c is not there. So from 2 and 3 implies second equation is 4g minus 6f plus c is equal to minus 13 minus 8g plus 10f plus c is equal to minus 41. Plus is minus, plus becomes minus, minus will be plus. 4g plus 8g 12g minus 6 minus 10 minus 6 minus 10 minus 16f. Here plus c minus c will get cancelled. Here minus 13 plus 41 is 28. Implies what is the common here? Taking 2 as common, 4 3s are 4 4s are 4 7s are. Taking 4 as common here, 4 3s are 12 12g minus 4 fours are 16 is equal to 28. Here 4 ones are 4 sevens are implies 3g minus 4f is equal to 7. So equation 5. From equation 4 and equation 5. Equation 4 and equation from equation 5 implies here minus 4g minus 3f plus 1. Minus 4g minus 3f plus 1. Here 4g is there. Equation 4 is multiply by 3 here and equation 5 is multiply with the 4. Then 3 into minus 4 minus 12g. Here 3 into 4 plus 12g, then minus 12g plus 12g will get cancelled. Therefore equation 3 is multiply by equation 4 is multiply by 3. Then it becomes minus 12g minus 9f plus 3 is equal to 0 implies next equation 5 is multiply with the 4. Then 4 into 3 12g minus 16f minus 7 into 4 28 is equal to 0. 12g minus 16f minus 28 is equal to 0. Here minus 12g plus 12g will get cancelled. Here minus 9 minus 16 minus 25f plus 3 minus 28 minus 25 is equal to 0 implies minus 25f is equal to plus 25 equals to 25 implies f is equal to minus 1. F is equal to minus 1. Now we substitute in equation 5 will get a g value. Now from equation 5 implies substitute f in this 3g minus 4 into f minus 1 is equal to 7 implies 3g plus 4 is equal to 7 implies 3g is equal to 7 minus 4 3, then g is equal to 1. So next we have to find a c. Therefore g is equal to 1 and f is equal to minus 1. Substitute g and f in any equation. Substitute g and f in any equation. Here the equation is minus 8g. Substitute g comma f in equation 3 implies here equation 3 is minus 8g plus 10f plus c is equal to minus 41 implies minus 8 into here g is equal to 1 plus 10 into f is minus 1 plus c is equal to minus 41. Next one is minus 8 plus into minus minus 10f, sorry minus 10 plus c is equal to minus 41 implies minus 18 plus c is equal to minus 41. From this c is equal to minus 41 plus 18 implies c is equal to minus 23. Minus 23. Therefore g is equal to 1 and f is equal to minus 1, c is equal to minus 23. Now substitute in general equation. We will get x square plus y square plus 2gx, 2 into 1 into x plus 2fy, 2 of minus 1 of y plus c plus of minus 23 is equal to 0 implies x square plus y square plus 2x plus of minus minus 2y again plus into minus minus 23 is equal to 0. This is the required equation of a circuit. Now next concept is notation. Notation of a circles. Notation of circle. First one is the expression x square plus y square plus 2gx plus 2fy is equal to 0 is denoted by capital S. That is capital S is equal to 0. Next one is, second notation is the expression, this is S1, next S1. S1 is x1 square x1 square plus y1 square plus 2gx1 plus 2fy1 plus c is equal to 0. This is the second equation. And the third one is S12. S12 means x1, x2 plus y1, y2 plus g of x1 plus x2 plus f of y1 plus y2 plus c is equal to 0 here. Now fourth one is S21. S21 can be written as x2 x1 plus y2 y1 plus g of x2 plus x1 plus f of y2 plus y1 plus c is equal to 0. Third one is S11. S11 can be written as x1 into x1 plus y1 into y1 plus g of x1 plus x1 plus f of y1 plus y1 plus c is equal to 0. Also can be written as x1 into x1, x1 square plus y1 into y1, y1 square plus x1 plus x1, 2x1 here, 2gx1 plus y1 plus y1, 2y1, then 2fy1 plus c is equal to 0. Here S1 is xx1 plus yy1 plus g of x plus x1 plus f of y plus y1 plus c is equal to 0. These are the notations. Okay, na? Now next concept is tangent, equation of tangent. Now next concept is length of tangent or position of a point. Next one is position of a point with respect to the circle, x square plus y square plus 2gx plus 2fy plus c is equal to 0. Let us take coordinate plane. Here x dash, y dash. Let s is equal to 0 is the given circle. A circle can be divided into four equal parts. This is the center of a circle. Here the center is minus g comma minus f. Let p x1 y1 be any point in a same plane. Let p x1 y1 be any point in the same plane. Now here three cases may arise. First case is here p x1 y1 be any point in the circle or interior of the circle. P be interior of circle. Let us take diagram. Here x, y, x dash, y dash, circle. This is the center C. P be interior of the circle. So let us take here P, CP. Here P is the interior of the circle. C is minus G comma minus F. This length is also R. From the diagram, CP is less than R. Here R is the radius. Squaring on both sides, CP square is less than R square. CP means distance between C and P. What is the distance formula? Under root x1 minus x2 whole square plus y1 minus y2 whole square. Same applying here also. Minus G or x1 minus x2. X minus of minus G whole square plus y1 minus y2. Y1 minus of minus f whole square is less than R square. What is the radius here? General form of radius. From general form of equation, general form of a circle, here radius will be under root G square plus f square minus C. The radius is whole root G square plus f square minus C whole square. Her square root will get cancelled. Now expand this. Here also CP square, here also same, square root will get cancelled. Now x1 minus into minus plus g whole square, and expanding this, x1 square plus g square plus 2gx1 plus y1 minus into minus plus y1 plus f whole square, again expanding, y1 square plus f square plus 2f(y1) is less than g square plus f square minus c. Here plus g square will get cancelled, f square cancel. Then x1 square plus y1 square plus 2gx1 plus 2f(y1) is less than, and minus c is less than minus c. Minus c will come this side, plus c is less than 0. But x1 square plus y1 square plus 2gx1 plus 2f(y1) plus c can be written as s1 square less than 0. Therefore, if first case, if p x1 y1 be interior on a circle, then the condition is s1 square is less than 0. Now case 2. Case 2, if p x1 y1 on the circle, p x1 y1 on the circle, that means at the center is C, P be any point on the circle, then distance between CB is nothing but radius only here. Okay, na? Distance between CP is equal to radius. Again squaring on both sides, CP square is equal to R square, implies CP square minus R square is equal to 0. CP square minus R square is equal to 0. Now case 3. Case 3, if P be exterior of the circle, exterior of a circle means this is the center, P is the exterior of the circle, then can be written as CP is greater than R. C, here it is a radius, but CP is greater than R. From this, CP square is greater than R square. Again same formula, x plus g whole square plus y plus f whole square is greater than R square, means g square plus f square minus c, implies x square plus 2g square plus 2gx, x1 square here, x1 square plus 2gx1 plus y1 square plus f square plus 2f(y1) is greater than g square plus f square minus c, implies here f square will cancel and g square cancel, then x1 square plus y1 square plus 2gx1 plus 2f(y1) plus c is greater than 0. Can be written as s11 is greater than 0. S11 is greater than 0. Therefore, first case is P interior on the circle, P interior of a circle, then the condition is S11 less than 0. Remember this. S11 is less than 0. Second one, P on the circle. P on the circle if and only if S11 is equal to 0. Third one, P exterior of circle. P is exterior of a circle if and only if S11 is greater than 0. These three are most important for this. If S11 is less than 0, then P interior of a circle. If S11 is equal to 0, P on the circle. If S11 is greater than 0, P exterior of the circle. The next concept is tangent or length of tangent. Length of a tangent. Length of tangent. Let us take a plane. No need to draw plane. Just center C here. See here. Here it is a T. Take any line on the circle P. Here the center C is minus G comma minus F and the radius is under root G square plus F square minus C, and from P to distance from P to T is defined as PT bar. Distance from P to T is called a tangent. Is called a tangent of given circle. Here PT is called a tangent of given circle. But length of tangent is denoted by root S11. This is very important for 2 marks question BSAQ. Length of tangent is root S11. Now find, for example, find the length of tangent. Find the length of tangent. Find the length of tangent from P to the circle minus 2 comma 5, and the circle is x square plus y square is equal to 25. X square plus y square is equal to 25. What we have to find here? We have to find the length of tangent. Here P is given and circle is also given. P is minus 2 comma 5 and the circle is x square plus y square is equal to 25. 25 can be written as 5 square. This is comparing with x square plus y square is equal to r square. Therefore radius is equal to 5. Now root S11. Root S11 means under root x1 square plus y1 square minus r square, which is equal to, here x1 square is, put x1 is equal to minus 2 and y1 is equal to 5, r is equal to 5. Just to substitute in this, put x1 square minus 2 square plus y1 square 5 square minus r square 5 square implies, here 5 square minus 5 square cancel. Here minus 2 whole square is minus 2 whole square, 2 square, square root cancel 2. Therefore, the length of tangent of from P to the circle is 2. Next one is power of point. Power of point. Let us take C minus G comma minus F, and the radius is under root G square plus F square minus G square F square minus C. Here CP minus R square. CP minus R square is called the power of point. Is called the power of point on a given circle. CP minus R square is power of point of x square plus y square plus 2gx plus 2fy plus c is equal to 0. The equation of power of point is S1 is equal to 0. Equation of power of point. Equation of power of point is S1 is equal to 0. S1 is nothing but xx1 plus yy1 plus g of x plus x1 plus f of y plus y1 plus c is equal to 0. the important of for 2 marks. The next one is equation of tangent. Just now we have discussed the length of tangent. This is the equation of tangent. Equation of a tangent is also S1 is equal to 0. S1 is nothing but x1 plus y1 plus g of x plus x1 plus f of y plus y1 is equal to 0. This is also important for very short answer, 2 marks. They are both same. For this, for PowerPoint and equation of tangent, so we have to use the same formula for this. S1 is equal to 0. For example, find the power of point of 5 comma minus 6 and s is equal to x square plus y square plus 8x plus 12y plus 15 plus 15. Power point means is nothing but S1 is equal to 0, that is x1. So here the given equation is x square plus y square plus 8x plus 12y plus 15 is equal to 0. Then S1 is equal to 0 implies x1, x into, here x1 is 5 plus y1, y into minus 6 plus g of, here g is 2g is equal to 8, then g is equal to 4 here. So plus 4 into x plus x1, x plus 5 plus here 2f is equal to 12, 2f is equal to 12, then f is equal to 6 plus 6 into y minus 6 plus 15 is equal to 0. 5x minus 6y plus 4x plus 4 into 5 20 plus 6y minus 36 plus 15 is equal to 0. Just to simplify it, then we get the required equation of a circle. Next one is example on position of a point. Find the position of point P 3, 4 on the circle x square plus y square minus 4x minus 6y minus 2 is equal to 0. Here I have to find the position of a point on circle. Position of point of a circle. Position of point means if S1, 3 conditions may arise here. S11 is less than 0, then P lies in the, P is interior of the circle. If S11 is equal to 0, P lies on the circle. If S11 is greater than 0, then P is a exterior of the circle. Now we have to check here solution. Here x square plus y square minus 4x minus 6y minus 12 is equal to 0 is the given equation. Here the center is minus t comma minus f, that is 2, 3. This is the center, and a radius. Radius is d square plus f square minus c. 2 square plus 3 square minus of minus 12 is equal to 4 plus 9 plus 12, which implies 4 plus 9 13, 13 plus 12 25. Root 25 can be written as 5 square. Square root cancel 5. Therefore r is equal to 5. Now S11. S11 means put x equal to 3 and y equals to 4. S11 is equal to, first we have to consider S11. Put x equal to 3. 3 square plus 4 square minus 4 into 3 minus 6 into 4 minus 12 is equal to 0. Implies 3 square 9 plus 16 minus 12 minus 24 minus 12, which is equal to 6 plus 9 plus 16 25. Here minus 12 minus 12 minus 24 minus 24 minus 24 minus 45, then its value will be minus, is nothing but less than 0. S11 less than 0. S11 less than 0, then P interior of the circle. Therefore here S11 less than 0, then P interior of the circle. P interior of the circle. Next one is another example on length of tangent. Most important for 2 marks. Find the length of tangent, or if the length of a tangent from 2, 5 to the circle x square plus y square minus 5x plus 4y plus k is equal to 0 is root 37. Then find k. Very, very important for VSAQ. Length of tangent is already given. Length of tangent is root 37. Point also given. Circle is given. Here we have to find k. The given equation is given x square plus y square minus 5x plus 4y plus k is equal to 0. The length of tangent is formula. What is the formula for length of tangent? Length of tangent is defined as root S11. Root over S11. Just point in, substitute in given circle. Put x equal to 2 and y is equal to 5 here. 2 square plus 5 square minus 5 into 2 plus 4 into 5 plus k. Already given length of tangent is root 37. Both sides roots are there. Roots will be cancelled here. 2 square 4, 5 square 25, 5 2s are 10, 4 5s are 20 plus k is equal to 37. 4 plus 25 plus 4, 29. 29 minus 10 plus 20 plus 10 plus k is equal to 37 implies 39 plus k is equal to 37 implies k is equal to minus 2. Is the example on length of tangent.